Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby the Learning Lab. Today we're learning about place value and powers of 10. Last time, we read numbers up to 100,000. Now we'll see how each place is connected. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Identifying place values up to 100,000. Understanding how place values grow by 10 each time. Using powers of 10 like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, and comparing the value of digits in different places. Let's review place value. The places go in order: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In 48,392, the 4 is in the 10,000s place, so the 4 means 40,000. The 8 is in the thousands place, so the 8 means 8,000. Each digit has a job. A digit's value depends on its place. But here is the big idea. The places are connected by 10. 110 is 10 times as much as 11. 100 is 10 times as much as 110. 1,000 is 10 times as much as 100. So every step to the left is a times 10 jump. One place to the left means 10 times more. These numbers are called powers of 10. They are made by multiplying by 10 again and again. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Each number has one more zero than the number before it, and each number is 10 times greater than the one before it. So zeros are not just decoration. Zeros help show the size of the number. Look at the digit 4 in both numbers. In 4,000, the 4 is in the thousands place. In 40,000, the 4 is in the 10,000s place. So the same digit has a different value. 4,000 means 4,000s. 40,000 means 4 10,000s. And 40,000 is 10 times as much as 4,000. 40,000 equals 10 times 4,000. Same digit. Bigger place, bigger value. That's the idea. If the digit 6 is in the hundreds place, it means 600. Move it one place left, and its value becomes 10 times greater. 600 times 10 equals 6,000. Move it one place right, and its value becomes 1/10 as much. 600 divided by 10 equals 60. In place value, moving left makes the value greater. Moving right makes the value smaller. Place value also helps us write numbers in expanded form. Let's break apart 73,516. Each digit shows a value. 7 10,000s equals 70,000. 3,000s equals 3,000. 500s equals 500. 110 equals 10. 6 ones equals 6. So 73,516 equals 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 6. That's expanded form. Expanded form shows the value of every digit.
Move one place left, 10 times more. Watch that digit's value soar. Move one place right, 10 times less. Watch its value shrink and compress.
Left means times 10. Right means divided by 10. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. What is 10 times 3,000? Correct. Multiplying by 10 moves the value one place left. So 3,000 times 10 equals 30,000. Challenge 2. What is the value of the 7 in 72,418? Correct. The 7 means 7 10,000, so its value is 70,000. Challenge 3. Which is greater, 5,000 or 50,000? Correct. 50,000 is greater. It is 10 times as much as 5,000. Challenge 4. Complete the pattern 10, 100, 1,000. Correct. 10 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Each number is 10 times the number before it. Let's review what we learned today. You identified place values up to 100,000. You understood how place values grew by 10 each time. You used powers of 10 like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, and you compared the value of digits in different places. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For understanding how place values are connected, for using powers of 10, and for explaining how a digit's value changes by place, you earned the Place Value Pathfinder badge. Congratulations! Next time, we'll use place value again, but this time, we'll compare and order large numbers, greater than, less than, and equal to. See you in Lesson 3. Bye, Explorers!